Hi everybody, welcome to Carol's Art Room. I am going to do a bloom, maybe a bloom and a swipe. I'm doing a little experiment. I've mixed up some cell activator differently to see if I can make it last a little longer. So I've mixed up half and half. I started out with half and half American and half Australian. It didn't work totally. It worked a little bit, so I added more Australian to it. So maybe 1/3 American and 2/3 Australian Floetrol. So see how this works. So I'm gonna do, I think I'll do a bloom on one side and a swipe on the other side. Maybe we'll get some kind of a crazy design here. We'll see. Alright, so I've got golds and reds and a bit of purple. So let's put red down first. Let's do one right here. And then I'll drizzle some over here. This is medium red by Amsterdam. I have PBO Oriental Violet. Oops, sorry. Ooh, it's getting low. Must be plugged. This is almost empty. All right, that's good enough. Some gold. Love my gold. It's 24 karat gold by Decor. It's a 6x6 tile. My other colors are mixed the same, just with my pouring medium. With house paint, the recipes are in the description under my video. It's a little bit thick. This one is Mader Lake by Amsterdam, and there's another red. Arteza red. Purple, yeah. Okay, so I'm gonna get a card. Actually, first I'll do the bloom. And I hope this works. I did an experiment. It worked with swiping better than it worked with the blue. So let's try this again. I'm gonna blow with my breath. Is this just a small one? Well, I did get some cells. A little better than the last time I did it. Now let's try a swipe. My card. Oh, there's some cells. Oh, these are getting bigger. I think the American Floetrol takes longer to develop the cells, I think. I need another card. I wonder if it would work different with a white background, but we'll see. Let's do this. Yes, definitely the American Floetrol reacts different. All right, let's spin it out and see what we get. I'll put this in the center more. Let's see if we can get it to go this way. paint, I think. It's looking cool. I think we're almost done spinning. It's moving. There. It's kind of different, isn't it? I think I'll just add some more Australian Floetrol to that mixture, and I think it'll be better, but that's kind of cool. Let's see what it looks like when it dries. Just wanted more of this side to come off. One more spin. Up there a bit. Give it another spin. Okay, it's not moving anymore. We're good. All right, I'll let it dry and I'll put the dried result at the end of the video. Thanks for watching. Hi everybody. Here's my dry tile. Put it this way. It dried very dark. Might look good resin, we'll see. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.